Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a teardown video. I'm going to take apart the new Wltoys A959-B. If you follow my channel, you know that I've been upgrading the older version to a brushless and aluminum parts. This teardowns goes for all of you that want to know exactly what is the difference between the original older version and the new one, and to see if the parts that available upgrading this car also fits the new version. So let's start. Let's start by open it up. Tend to lose this inside. So first of all, let's look at the wheel. Looks exactly the same as the older version. It's the same. I want to take out the wheel because I saw that it has a longer screw here.
So do you want to see?
Let's compare it to the older version because it looks longer. This is a plus because, as you can see here, if you upgrade the wheel, there's almost no room for the screw. So you can see that this is definitely longer than the older version. This is very important. As you can see here, if you upgrade the wheel, now you have a lot more room to put the new wheel. So that is nice. So if you open the wheel, let's go all the way. So, as I said, this part is longer than the older version. If you look inside, don't need to take it out. It's still a closed bearing, not a ball bearing. So this is definitely an upgrade you can do even in the new version. It's the same size. This is this one is the older part. As you can see, it's exactly the same. Dog bone is the same. I will leave that aside. Let's continue. The battery is larger than the older version. This one was 1100, this is 1400, and the battery plug, it's a T plug. The motor, of course, it's the most important upgrade. It's a larger one, the 540. The older motor I gave away, so I don't have it right here to show you, but this one is bigger. Look inside. I want to see the gears. first of all, we're going to compare it. As you can see, exactly the same. I took off the body mount because I used it in my upgraded one, but it's the same. Okay. Oh, this is a huge difference. You can immediately see the pinion is a lot different than the original one. Pretty huge. Let me check where is the original one. This is the older version pinion from the smaller motor. This is the new one. You can see it's quite different, not even close. Let's continue. Want to see how the diff looks and if the spore is the same or is it different. So this is the diff of the new one. As you can see, it has a metal diff caps. This is the older version one, which is made out of plastic. This is the new one. And let's open it up. As you can see, it has plastic gears. This is probably the same as the older version. Did not open the older version. It's only with some grease, just a bit. So if you want to tune the car, you can add some oil into it. Now let's look at the drive shaft. As you can see, it has a metal drive shaft. The older drive shaft was plastic. I don't have it because mine was broken in the second run of the car. So this is definitely a very important upgrade. You can see the spore is different. This is the older version and this is the new version. Later on I'm going to count all the teeth and write it down, but from now just have a look. So the pinion is different and the spore is different. If you look closer, the rest of the parts is the same. No need to take it apart. The arms are the same. The shocks are the same. And the shock towers are the same. If you look at the servo, it looks about the same. Yeah, it's the same servo, nothing to it. No need to open the front diff, it's the same as the rear one. The only thing left that I'm looking at is the ESC. I'm not sure if it's the same of the older version or if it's upgraded to handle the larger motor. It seems exactly the same. I will test the older ESC with the new motor to see if it runs. We can do a small test right now. Don't try it at home, it might burn your ESC, but I don't use this one, so I don't mind. Okay, it does look like the older ESC from the older version works just fine with a 540 motor of the new version. If you want to upgrade your older Wltoys A959 car, you will need the motor, the 540, the new gear, the new pinion, new spore, a larger one to fit the gear, and you probably want to go for the new drive shaft, a metal upgrade, so it won't break. The rest of the upgrades are up to you if you want to upgrade anything else. Let's do a quick overview of what we saw in the teardown. First of all, the motor was upgraded to a 540 motor. The drive shaft was upgraded to a metal one. The spore gear and the pinion was upgraded. As you can see, it's different. We saw that it had deep cap metal one compared to plastic of the older version. The wheel caps, the screw is longer, so you can fit a larger wheels on it. The battery, well, it's a bit bigger and it's a different plug. Okay, this is 1400, the older one was 1100. That's about it. All the rest looks like it's the same as the older version, so you can use upgrades from the older version or upgrade the older version with all the new electronics and the upgrades that they made. Hope this video helps you if you decide to buy this model or the older one and the upgrades. That's it for now. Later I'm gonna assemble everything back, take it out, do some test runs on it so you can see how it runs. I might bring my friend's older version with all the original parts and do some compare run between them. Hope this helps you, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please write it down in the comments, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.